So guys, dahil nasa akin yung phone ni Shar, mag-get ano tayo, skincare tayo sa kanya. So, let's go. So, may pants ako dito. Paubos na siya. Libre mo ako, Shars, please. Magpa-pub ka lang dito. First, like, ano siya, zero. Ang puti ko, gagi. So, guys. Nakalimutan kasi ni Shar. Or ako nakalimot. Kasi nagpa-practice pa kasi sila nun. So, nalimutan ko. Sabi ko, Mali, uwi na tayo. Nakalimutan ko. Nasa pala yung phone ni Shara. So, maglilip balm muna tayo, guys. Gagi. Ew. Laki naman ba ako? So, pants lang naman yung inaano ko. Pero mag-a-acne tayo. Mag-a-oxygen tayo. Kasi dami ko na namang eme-eme sa mukha ko. Kaya, I'm back to the Oxycure. Oh my god. Uy, naka-vlog ako ah. Yung ano?
Ay, may alam ka na naman. Balik mo yan ah.
Yes. So guys, ate ko siya.
Ano mo sa akin?
Sa kaklase ko. Ha? Nakalimutan na. Nagpatago kasi siya sa bag ko. Tsaka, ano pa? Baga, ano na ako. Wait guys. So, I'm back. Tapos na ako guys. So, I brush my hair. Wait guys. got in the bill carrying us. Aray ko.
You come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive, an engine burning, blink for paradise. Fade into view. It's been a while since I have even heard from you. I should just tell you to leave, 'cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go round and round each time. You got that James Dean daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that long hair slicked back white t-shirt, and I got that good girl face and a tight little skirt. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style. So it goes. He can't keep his wild eyes on the road. Takes me home. Lets her off. He's taking off his coat. I say I heard that you've been out and about with some other girl, some other girl. He says what you heard is true, but I can't stop thinking about you, and I said I've been there too a few times. 'Cause you got that Jeep daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like. Yeah, when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that
Long hair, slick back, white t-shirt, and a tight little skirt. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style. We never go. Down, we come back every time. Bye guys.